earnings to all the members of Prife Philippines family. You are still watching the Back Office Navigation series. Previously, we talked about topping up using your debit or credit card. This time, we're going to talk about topping up through bank deposit. Before doing any of those steps, you need to get the bank account information of your respective stockist. You also need to inform them that you will be making a top-up. Make a bank deposit or bank transfer to your stockist's bank account. Take a photo of your validated deposit slip or take a screenshot of your bank transfer. Now, log into your account at privevip.com. Enter your username and password and input the CAPTCHA number that you see. Click the Sign In button. Go to the Navigate tab. This time, scroll down and go to the middle of the page and click Top Up Register Wallet. In the next page, click the picture icon and choose the file containing the photo of your proof of payment. Once you have seen the photo of your proof of payment, click Upload Image. In the next box, enter the amount in peso. If you're going to purchase a classic, you put in 18,240, 54,720 for premium, and 182,400 for pro. In the method field, choose bank. In the remark field, put in the information that will remind you of the transaction. Example, new purchase or classic or the name of the buyer. Enter your security password and then click Submit. Inform your stockist that you have made a top-up. After you have made that deposit, you can inform your respective stockist about it. Then, they can transfer a PIN for you to use to register. In the next episode of Back Office Navigation, we're going to talk about purchasing a PIN. Make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.